Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to all. In today's video, we will discuss about the harms of drinking water while standing. Drinking water while standing does not really quench your thirst, causes arthritis and joint damage. It may also affect heart and lung. It don't trigger the nerve properly. Drinking water while standing does not allow your kidney to filter the water properly, causes heartburn and ulcer. It does not allow your body to absorb the nutrient properly because when you stand and drink water, the water travels through the system very fast. When you drink water from a bottle or a glass, sitting down, the nutrients reach the brain and boost its activity. It also aids in better digestion. Drinking water while standing does not help in diluting the acid level present in the body, while sitting down and taking small sip of water help in maintaining the acid level of the body. If you like my video, then like, share and subscribe. Thank you.